Hello everyone, welcome to my Your Programming Club. Today we will be solving another daily LeetCode problem, and the problem's name is three consecutive words. So the problem statement, according to the problem statement, you will be given an integer array and you have to return true if there are three consecutive odd numbers in this integer array. Okay, and you have to return false otherwise. So for example, in this array there was no three consecutive odd numbers, so we returned false. But in this particular integer array there were three integer odd numbers which were 5, 7 and 23, so we returned true. And let's have a quick look at the constraints also before thinking of an approach. So according to the constraints, the length of the array will be of order 1000 and each entry will be of order 1000. Okay, so now let's try to think how we can solve this particular problem. So a very simple approach that is coming to my mind is that we can have a just linear traversal of this array. Okay, and have one variable code count. Okay, so for example, this array is given to you. You will be visiting each number one by one. Let's say the numbers are a b c d e f. Okay, so you will be visiting each number one by one, and let's say this array is called nums array. Okay, so let me bring the code here itself so that I do not have to write it down and it will save some time also. Then what we will be doing is, once we are you know traversing this array from left to right direction or any direction in which you may prefer, so in that way whenever there is a even number, then you will set your odd count to 0. Okay, so your streak of continued odd number or continuous odd numbers will break and it will start from 0 again. Okay, and if you are getting continuous odd numbers or if it's even the first odd number or the second one, then you will increase your odd count, and at each iteration of this particular array or after visiting each element of this array, you will see whether the value of the odd count have reached 3 or not. Okay, if it has reached 3, then you will return true at that point only and break from the loop. And if you are not able to find any consecutive odds the whole this traversal thing, then you will be returning false. Okay, so this is the approach. And as per the complexities are concerned, time complexity wise, let's say if the size of the array is n, so this will be order of n. Space complexity wise, as you must have seen, we are not using any extra space, so it is order of n, order of 1, sorry, constant. Okay, so these are the complexities, this is the approach and the code. So I hope this solution video added some value to your journey of honing your DSS skills. If you are still having any kind of doubts or any queries in general, then please feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep solving more problems. Thank you for watching.